My dad was a carpenter, spent his time in his shop building different things for people in the neighborhood and things he could sell to make money. You know, I'd like to build stuff for other people. I think that's probably where I got that from.
It's been a long day.
Throughout life, I've just always liked tinkering and building different projects, and I don't know, now it's a hobby.
It's been a long night.
The project I'm working on now is, you know, for my soon-to-be wife. You know, when you need something, sometimes it's easy to just pick up a 2x4 and build what you need real quick. I learn best by doing and learning from craftsmen. To me, the base level of quality is getting everything square and straight, and then it's about the extra touches that you put on something to really make it look nice. I try to get it right the first time, but sometimes I'll have to go back and do it again because it's not to my standards the first time. You want your work to speak for you when you're not around. I think for me, at the end of a long day, it's probably the knees. Your knees need a break, at least mine do. I never try to cut corners. It's important to me that you get really good quality materials because it just makes the job so much easier. Like the project I'm working on right now, every piece is ground contact, pressure treated, color fast, stainless steel screws. You know, it's going to be around for a long time. I think it's important that things that last, I mean, not just for all of the sentimental reasons, but also for the environment. Making sure that we're not doing things multiple times and throwing a lot of things away. Serenity doesn't ask me for a lot, so when she does, she usually has some kind of sentimental meaning behind it. It really became more than just building a stage. It really became this kind of family affair.
Knowing you and loving you has been the greatest honor and privilege life could have ever given me. I have done nothing but fall more in love with you every single day, and for that, I'm eternally grateful.
I now pronounce you husband and wife.